Improving your Fortnite graphics settings can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals and performance. Follow these steps to optimize your graphics settings in Fortnite. Step 1. Open Fortnite. Launch the Fortnite game on your device. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the main menu to open a menu. From there, select the gear icon to access the settings. Step 3. Navigate to graphics settings. In the settings menu, locate the graphics tab. Click on it to view all available graphics options that you can adjust. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. In the graphics settings, you will see options for quality presets. You can choose between low, medium, high, and epic. Select a higher setting for better visuals, but be mindful of your system's performance capabilities. Step 5. Apply changes. After adjusting the settings to your preference, make sure to click the Apply button to save the changes. You may want to restart the game to ensure the new settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you can enhance your Fortnite graphics settings for a more immersive gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals and gameplay.